Mom, where are you? I can't see you. The store is so big. Where did everybody go? What should I do now? Today we are going shopping. I am so excited.
Stay close to me, sweetheart. Promise me you will hold my hand.
I promise, Mom. I will stay right beside you.
Look at all the shops. They are so big and bright.
Everyone stay together, please. Do not wander off.
Yes, Dad. We will stay with you. I want to see the toy store first. Can we go, Mom?
We will see everything today. Hold my hand, Ellie.
Okay, Mom. I am holding your hand. Look, Max. Look at that big teddy bear.
Wow, it is huge. I still like the dinosaur shop more.
Stay close, everyone. Do not fall behind.
Look at those pretty balloons. They are so colorful. Can I have one, Mom?
Maybe later, sweetheart. First we shop, then we play. Ellie, stay close. We are walking now.
Yes, Mom. I am coming. Oh, look at the puppy in the window. It is so cute. Hi, little puppy.
Ellie, do not stop too long. We are moving now.
Just one more look. I will catch up very quickly.
Okay, but hurry, Ellie.
I am right behind you, Mom. That puppy is so sweet. I love it so much. Wait, where is everybody? Mom? Dad? Where did you go? They were just here. Which way did they go? Oh no. I think I am lost. Mom said to hold her hand. But I let go. I stopped to see the puppy. Now I cannot see my family. What do I do now? Stay calm, Ellie. Think first. Mom always says, stay calm and think. Do not panic. I must be brave. So many people. So many shops. I do not see Mom. I do not see Dad. I do not see Max.
Wait, where is Ellie? I thought she was behind us. She is not here. Oh no. She is missing.
Do not worry. We will find her. Let us look together. Ellie! Ellie! Where are you?
She must be scared. We have to find her.
Do not worry, Mom. We will find her together. I should not walk around. I might get more lost. Mom always says, stay where people can see me. There is a big shop with bright lights. I will wait near the front. People can see me here. This is a safe spot. I will stand right here and wait. Stay calm, Ellie.
Are you okay, little girl? Are you lost?
Yes, I am lost. I cannot find my family.
Do not worry, sweetheart. I will help you. I work here. Let us call your family on the speakers.
Thank you. Yes, please.
Attention, please. We are looking for a family. A little girl is waiting near the toy store. She has brown hair and a yellow bow.
Wait. Did you hear that?
Yes, a little girl near the toy store. That is our Ellie.
Brown hair. Yellow bow. Yes, that is her.
The toy store is this way. Let us hurry.
Come on, Mom. Come on, Dad. This way. Did my family hear the announcement?
I am sure they did. Just wait a little longer. Drink some water, sweetheart. You are doing great.
Thank you. I feel a little better now.
You are very brave. Your family will be here soon.
Ellie. Ellie. Ellie, can you hear us?
Wait. I think I hear Dad.
Ellie, where are you?
Mom? Dad? I am over here. I am near the toy store.
Look, there she is. Ellie is right there.
Mom? Dad, I am so happy to see you.
Oh, sweetheart. I am so happy to see you too. We were so worried.
Are you okay? Are you hurt anywhere, Ellie?
No, Dad. I am okay. I am not hurt.
I am so glad you are safe. We looked everywhere for you.
She was very brave. She waited right here in a safe place. Thank you so much for helping her. You are welcome. I am so glad your family is together again. Ellie, you stayed calm and waited in a safe place.
I stopped to see the puppy, and I let go of your hand. I am sorry, Mom.
These things happen, sweetheart. You remembered the safety rules.
What did you do first when you were lost?
I tried not to panic. I stayed calm. Then I stayed where people could see me.
You remembered your lessons. We are so proud of you. Next time, hold my hand tight.
Okay, Mom. I will not let go again. I promise. Ellie was so brave today. I am proud of my little sister. Thank you, Max. You are the best brother.
Everyone ready to go home now?
Yes. But first, can we see the puppy one more time?
Okay. One quick look. Then we go home.
Yay! Thank you, Mom.
What did you learn today, Ellie?
If I get lost, I must stay calm. I must stay where people can see me. And I must ask a helper.
That is right. You learned a big lesson.
I am so happy we are together again.
Me too, sweetheart. Let us hold hands and go home.
Okay, Mom. I am holding tight now.
What was your favorite part of the day?
Being found was the best part.
Stay calm, stay safe, and always ask for help.
Families never stop looking for each other.
And I will always hold your hand. Let us go home together.